how to buy digital gold token. So this token came under the symbol of gold. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, go and check their community on X. As you can see, they have 182 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 16 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. Now, also, this token trending number 4 in this section. To be able to buy this token, just click it to copy the token address and open your fund wallet. For that, as you can see, now I will just log into my wallet first. After that, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address into search bar, as you can see. After that, click on your token here, as you can see, and after that, click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click the provider, select Jupiter, click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a gold token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.